Toray Polytech Nantong Company Limited is the affiliated company of Toray Group 1926. An advanced materials research center with over 20 years nonwoven R&D experience. TPN provides high-performance nonwoven that is used in health, medical, high-tech, and other fields for Asian markets. In the past decade, TPN have built an automated production workshop with 4 fully automated production lines, becoming Asia's largest nonwoven supplier with an annual output of 77,000 tons. In addition to advanced automatic production, a long-term vision is the driving force behind Toray's sustainable development. Based on SAP Business One on HANA, we built a management platform integrating ERP, MES, EMS, and trading system to improve operational and financial efficiency. Benefiting from SAP HANA and SUSE Linux, we established a real-time analysis system. SAP HANA is speeding up ERP data analytics by geometric times. This positively impacts quality control, cost and profit management, and the ability to generate multi-dimensional reports that show real-time business and operation status. To take cost accounting, for example, we can make cost and profit analysis of each customer and of every specific product. With SAP HANA, it only takes us half the time to finish TPN's monthly statement. The integration of automation and IT solution not only enhances TPN's business efficiency, but also ensures product quality consistency. Each role of nonwoven can be tracked from production, inventory to sales with the integration of SAP and MES systems to ensure the best product and service. With continuous upgrading and integration of TPN's intelligent manufacturing and SAP system, Toray expects to leverage SAP and MTC's experience in SAP HANA and textile industry to make deeper analysis of planning, production, operation, and sales data for better decision-making. We believe that IT and intelligence solutions will help make TPN the world's top nonwoven supplier.